Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Logitech G HUB is stuck on the loading screen, don't worry, this video is going to walk you through two simple methods to get it working again. First up, we'll try the easiest solution. Open your task manager and look for any processes related to Logitech G HUB. Once you find them, simply right-click the application and select End Task. After that, relaunch the app and check if it loads correctly. If that didn't work, here's the second method. Still in Task Manager, right-click on the Logitech G HUB processes. Now click on Open File Location. In that folder, you'll see files like lgub_urgent, lgub_update, lgub, exe, and a few others. Select all of them, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. This forces the key services to launch with the right permissions, and for most users, this completely fixes the issue. And that's it. These two quick solutions should get your Logitech G HUB out of the loading screen loop. If this helped you out, let us know in the comments, hit the like button, and consider subscribing for more helpful tech fixes. Press the notification icon as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.